Hello friends, welcome to TechAJ YouTube channel. Friends, in today's video, we are going to discuss about the RHEL 9 target mode. Okay, so first we will discuss the theory part of target mode, and then uh, we will discuss about the practical. Okay, we do practical, not just discuss. Okay, so first I would like to cover the theory part. So, how we can just put into the target system state. Okay. So, like target setting, uh, sometimes it's also called target setting. Okay. So, as a system administrator, sometimes we can control the process of our system. Okay. So, basically, what target system state is? So, target state is basically allow us to put into some some specific functionality or put into the some specific level of functionality. Okay, so while working with system D target, you we can view the default target. Okay, and we can select a target at runtime. Okay, that that means we can just either change the default target setting, or we can just change it for uh, just for the current session, or just for the or just in temporary manner. It means it will change for only current session. When our system will reboot, our default target will execute it. Okay, so let's talk about the target unit file. So target unit file are indeed with the .target extension. Okay, so so basically these are the like some system D groups file. Okay, so here I explained it. Like targets in system D are groups of related units. Okay, at, as you know, in Linux everything is a file. So it's basically a set of files. You can say since that units are nothing but a set of files that act as a synchronization point during the start of our system. Okay, target unit file are into it that target file extension. It represents the system D target. Okay, the purpose of target unit is to group together various system D units through a chain of dependency. Okay, and we have the mostly we have the four target type, but we widely use only the two target modes. Which one is first one is the graphical target and second one is multi-user target. Okay, although rescue target mode is also available, which name is rescue.target, but it rarely used. So I and emergency.target is also there, but we rarely use. We have two more target mode, which is the first one. I would like to rescue target mode. Okay, and also we have emergency target mode. But for achieving this same, we just use the another ISO image. Without another ISO image, these both option are both mode are useless. So that's why I am not explaining much deeper about these two concepts of target mode. So just we play between these two, between the graphical target and between the multi-user target. Okay, so mostly use this. So target can be changed either in permanent manner. It means we change the default target here. Okay, and for temporary basis, we can also change the target for only the current session. If you have to change for current session, then we can just we have to specify the isolate option. And if here we want to change, then what option we can use? So we can use the systemctl default. Okay, systemctl. Okay, just set defaults. Okay, and your target mode, like what you like, multi-user target mode or graphical target. Okay, so this is the simple concept. So also the file of target, like target file is located here, like in etc system d system default.target is the file where we can see the current configuration about the uh, our target system. Okay, like multi-user target mode, like we have two modes here, just as I discussed. It's basically run at different run levels. Like it's when we talk about the multi-user, then it into it run in it's basically what we can say. It's the run level is 3. But when talk about the graphical.target, then its run level is high. So basically, it's run into the different run levels also. Okay. So here, like prerequisite for running this command is you must have a root access. Okay. So like if you want to determine the current default target unit system D, then you can just use the systemctl get default, and same information can get from the also from the configuration file of targeting. Okay. So without wasting time, so let's start our video. So just I start my VMware. Okay, I'm resuming. So let me clear my screen first. Okay. Now, if you want to just know the our default about default target of system, so you can use the command system ctl get default. So this will the first one. Like you know, I am running the graphical GUI based rail line. So that's now our my default target is graphical.target. So if I just want to go into the multi-user target mode, then like if you want to just go into the command line mode, then after going into command line mode, there is a target which is multi-user.target. So if you want to just change for the this current session, then like here you can first see this is the so this is in full screen mode. This is now in graphical.target. Okay, now just I want to change it to for temporary basis. Just I want to change for the current session. So what I can use that. So we can just use the systemctl isolate, and here we have to specify the our mode, our target mode. So like just I want to use the multi-user dot okay system isolate multi-user dot target. Okay, just hit enter. Okay, now see the magic. Now we are here. So it's saying Saurav login. Sorry, I forget about the password. So just I am entering the root ID and password here. So we logged in by using the root account. So this is for just the current session. It not change the permanent manner. So how we can just verify that? So we can just check here by using the systemctl get command. So systemctl get default. So here you change default system get. Okay, sorry, I make a small mistake. Okay, now you can see that now our default target is not changed. Okay, but default target is remaining same, like it's in graphical.target, but we change the our target mode for uh, the only current session. This will be applied for the only current session. When we reboot our system, it automatically goes to the graphical target. Okay, because our default target is graphical.target, so it will go into the GUI mode. Okay, but now what we can do, just I want to show one important configuration file of target mode. So which is like we can just get the etc system D, yes, and the system, because this is a system D file, so default target. Okay, here you can see the information like what is the default target is here. So here you can say it's require multi-user target. It means mm, so here you can see that here also, as I tell you, rescue.target is also here, and it's saying after multi-user target, when it will boot, it will goes into the graphical target. Okay, so let's try to see. So we just here executed the yeah, okay, I just executed the reboot command, but it will go into the installation. So before going into the installation, I have to remove the directory because I set the priority of my CD drive. Okay, so I just removed my CD drive because my CD drive priority is the greatest among all hard drive. So it will boot from that. So now here we rebooted. So I just temporarily changed the my target setting. So I hope this time it will boot into the GUI mode. Okay, because our default target is not changed. We change our target mode for the only current session. Okay, wait for some few moments. It's booting. So now you can guys now guys you can see that it's basically booted in GUI mode. Okay, because you can see that. Okay, just need to log in by boot account. So we just booted in the graphical target. Why? Because we did not change the our default target. We just changed it for the current session. So for current changing the current session, we can just use the isolate. So what we will do now. So just we right now just we change it to the um, change the default target. So how we can do that? We can just do that by using the systemctl set by shooting this one set default. Okay, set default, and here you have to specify the your target mode. Like here I want to use multi-user target. It means I want to switch into the GUI. Sorry, CLI. The system details set default multi-user target. Okay, so it's basically saying we remove the default target. Okay, and we created a system link. So what is doing? What this command do in background? So it's basically change the system link. So it's remove the default target from um, graphical target, which is located in actually here in user leave system D system. So it here if you list the this you can get information about that. Okay, can close it here. And if you ls here, okay, here you can see that all target mode are here. Like here we have multiple target mode. Okay, so here what we want to see, just you can grip it. Like here, if you want to say the multi-user target, multi-user dot target here. Okay. So we want to just see is this is present or not here. But we know it's actually here. So here you can see that it's saying multi-user dot target is here. In the same manner, we can also ensure all the target. It's basically just changing the system link. Okay. So just I want to show that. Okay, now just we can use the systemctl get default one. So okay, okay. Now you this time you can see that this is in multi-user target mode. Okay. Now when you next time reboot your system, it will go into the CLI mode. Okay. So just if you want to change for now, so you can just use the isolate mode. Okay, like in the same manner, it will change also the current session. And if you also change the first, if you already change the default target, then it will go into the mode. And if you want to change new, then you can use the isolate option here. Like here, I want to just currently I want to go in the multi-user target. So what we'll do, I can do user target. Okay, I am switched into the uh, CLI mode, and here also when I try to reboot, uh, okay, let's I try to reboot. So it my system is in uh, currently in CLI mode, and because I changed the default target to multi-user dot target, so it will boot into the CLI mode. Okay, not in GUI mode. So let's wait for booting. This time our system will, I think, reboot fast because uh, we it will reboot in CLI mode because we changed the default target from GUI to CLI. Okay, wait for some few more seconds. Okay, now this time you can see that. Now our system is booted into the CLI mode R in multi-user target mode. Okay, just I logged in here, root, and input my password here. Okay, so now you want to just switch into the GUI. So what are the requirements? So if you already configured the yum, then you can just use the yum group install server with GUI, and either you can use the you can enable the cockpit socket and you can use the cockpit also. But right now, just I want to switch into the graphical target mode. So how I can do it? So the command is the same, like here systemctl. So basically, it's saying I was doing the wrong credential. So now I'm in. So here I just first of all I change the default target mode, set default. So I want to change it to graphical target. Okay, now its link is switched from multi-user.target to graphical.target. So behind the scene, it's basically removing and creating the system link. Okay, so just now we can check systemctl get the file. Okay, now our target mode is graphical.target. Okay, so now just I want to uh, so I also want to switch into the graphical mode for the current session. So what I can do? So I have to just use the isolate command here. Systemctl isolate and graphical.target. Okay. Now we also change the default target mode and we also change the current session target mode. Okay. So this is all idea about the setting the target mode. You can also set it to the rescue target if you want to rescue your system, and you can also put your system in emergency target. But for now, these concepts are out of the scope, so I am just stopping my video here. Also, remember switching between the graphical target and multi-user target require the mm, like if you want to switch into the graphical target, then you must have pre-installed GUI there. Okay, like Genome GUI or XT or as, mm, as per your choice, right? Should be already installed there. Okay, if that is not installed, then you are not able to switch between the uh, this target mode. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. So thank you for watching this video. Cheers.